Hi ladies and gentlemen, 3 buttons we can press, and before I show you all this, you are fully responsible for your actions. The volume, the phone, and the brightness all together for 3 seconds. You're now going to hit the bottom one, Detail Informations and Settings. Hold the phone for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Down below is Display Adjustment Mode. Press it once. You're looking for Rear Wide Camera. Press it once. Here's your brightness. Remember, this may not work, so you're going to simply try to figure out how to adjust your step, which was on 2021. As you press the step, it did increase by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it can decrease. So you'll decide what is good for you. You can hit default, you can hit set, you can fool around with it all you want. You have to hit the return or hit the backspace to get out of all this. We'll check in on this and see what other things this can do for you. By pressing the start, putting it in reverse, there is your backup camera. If you take the tripometer and you start to adjust it, the only way you can get this to darken is to cover the photo sensor. And then you could try to darken it that way. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Thank you very much for viewing.